Okay, continue. Next sentence. When he speaks with her, so let's see, commentary. Rambam quotes euphemism of marital intimacy from Nedarim 20b. So meaning that when he's with her. When he speaks with her, he should not do so at the beginning of the night. When he is sated, when he sated his belly, like he just overate, right? And his belly is full, and that's what we commented on in chapter number 4. We said don't engage in intimacy when you're right after you ate, right? Nor at the end of the night when he's hungry. So that's exactly what he said there. Not when you just ate, and not when you're hungry. Rather in the middle of the night when the food has been digested. So digested meaning that he's not hungry, right? Commentary 49. Note in chapter 4, Halachah 9. Okay, that's what we just quoted from. Igeres HaKodesh explains that both during the time food is being digested and when a person is hungry, his emotional balance is somewhat disturbed. Very interesting, right? I'm going to read it again. So he explained that during the time food is being digested, when a person is hungry, his emotional balance is somewhat disturbed, and it is difficult for him to develop the proper attitude and spiritual awareness necessary to make marital intimacy a godly act. So I mean, when he overate and when he's hungry, so he's thinking about the food, right? Or he feels like his stomach is very heavy. So that's okay. So it's hard for him to concentrate on what he's doing. Somebody? Okay, sorry. Nedarim 20b emphasizes that the midnight hour also allows person to rest from all his worldly involvement. So I mean, he came maybe 1 hour and a half before Shabbos, and now he ran around like crazy. Now he ran to the shul, came from shul, just ate. Of course, I mean he's still under stress, which makes sense. So he need a few hours to just rest, right? The quiet of the hour prevents him from being disrupted by other thoughts, and he is able to concentrate on his wife alone. So I mean, which makes sense.
When Rambam is talking about it, he's talking about this as what? As a person, as a man who himself wants to have relations with his wife, or as someone whose wife wants that, like.
I think it's a good question. It does not say here, but the way I see it, so let's say she wants to have relations, but she can wait a few hours. So it's not that he's not say no, but it's yes according to the Halachah. That's
it's just these days I don't know how it was back. Like it's just weird. Like a woman's like okay, like like it's not like a woman's like says okay, so like I don't think in most households like conversations like oh let's are we gonna be
okay so Torah
says like affection and things like that and
exactly yeah so exactly so Torah says about it. So if women are talking brazenly like this that what she wants, that's not good. It's very not good. It's shows of your lower character.
You should have like subtlety, right? Like
exactly. So but by her affection, she shows some kind signs of affection. So a man cannot be like stupid, and he has to understand that's what she meant. Right? So she cannot say out loud. Of course, you're right. Okay. Just 1 second. So did we finish? Okay. So last paragraph in 49. Despite the advantages of having the relations in the midnight, many contemporary authorities suggest that the couple not hold to this as binding rule. If couple have already begun thinking of intimacy, they should not be forced to wait until midnight to fulfill their desire. I mean, they're tired. So, but what he's saying, Rambam is saying, so not right away. Not he said before. First of all, it's not healthy right after food. after the food. So I mean, take some time. Okay. So not even like midnight that you have to watch the clock. Of course not. Okay.